This is a HP 15 laptop for repair. See the problem of HP 50 laptop. When we on this laptop on battery, laptop is on in battery. DC power supply is not on, close. Laptop is on in battery. We connect the battery here. Now when we on this DC power supply, see the problem. When we on the DC power supply, it goes down. Laptop goes down. When we on return DC power supply, off this DC power supply, laptop display is coming. This is a when we on DC power supply, backlight is going. Display is still there in motherboard, but backlight is going down. And when we off DC power supply, backlight is coming and laptop is running on battery mode. Let's open and check what is the problem. This is a problem in Win section. We have to find out. This is a board of LA-A994P, and problem is solved now. We have the same board. This is our scrap board, and we replace this TDA RTD IC. We replace this RTD IC. This is a display controller IC. Now the problem is solved now. Look at the problem. Now system is running on battery mode. Before running battery mode, not running on adapter mode. Now we connect the adapter. It's convert into adapter mode, and the backlight is also still there. The problem is solved now. And when we disconnect this adapter, it's also convert in battery, and when on, it's convert in adapter also, and battery also charging, and this problem is solved. The scrap board is used to as a donor board, this IC. Now this case study is solved. Thank you.